This is the story of a boy named Rohan. He wasn't the topper in class. He wasn't the loudest voice in the room, but he had something special. He could paint emotions. When he painted, it felt like his soul was speaking. One day, his school announced a big art competition. Rohan worked day and night on a beautiful painting. He poured his dreams, his memories, and even his tears into one canvas. A little boy, standing in the rain, holding a broken umbrella, but smiling. He titled it, "Hope in the Storm." He dreamed of winning, of making his parents proud. On the day of the competition, Rohan carefully packed his painting and started walking to school. He was excited, but on the way, dark clouds gathered. It started to rain heavily. Rohan ran, holding the painting close. As he crossed the road, he slipped on the wet ground. The painting flew from his hands, landed in the mud, and before he could reach it, a car ran over it. It was broken, his hard work, destroyed in seconds. Rohan picked it up. Tears filled his eyes. He sat under a tree, broken, and he whispered to God, "Why did this happen to me? I worked so hard." He left the painting there and walked away. At school, other students participated in the competition with their perfect paintings. One of them won a prize. Rohan said nothing. He just sat quietly among the audience, his heart heavy with sadness. Days passed. He didn't speak much. He didn't touch a brush. Then, one morning, a big car stopped in front of Rohan's house. A man stepped out and asked, "Are you the one who made this painting?" Rohan was surprised. The man smiled and said, "I found it under the tree. It was dirty and torn, but it touched my heart. I run a design company. That day I was feeling really low. But even though your painting was broken, it gave me hope. I placed it in my office, and every client who sees it asks about the artist." Then he said, "I'd like to offer you a chance to join our art program. We want to train you. You're talented, the real artist behind that broken painting." Rohan couldn't believe it. The painting he thought was ruined and left behind had found the right hands and opened the right door. He had lost a school prize, but gained a much bigger opportunity. Sometimes what you lose today might return tomorrow in a beautiful way, because God has a plan for you.
If you want more videos like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. English Learning Stories.